You may remember that I just redid the struts in this one, which was a very easy installation, and went to the shops today. This is one day later, and waiting for this to lift, and it's barely moving. Yeah, very, very slow lifting, and it wouldn't lift when I was over at the grocery store. So a little pissed off with these struts. I'm going to give them a 1-star rating on Amazon, thank you. So I did go in and put some WD-40 on these struts, and I put a bit of WD-40 on the hinges, which are nice and clean anyway. And yeah, that helped it just a tiny little bit, but it is still rising very, very slowly. There's barely any force left in to lift it, just like the ones I took off.